attorneys selected to best lawyers in America. Best result possible. How much is your case worth? Call the Barnes firm now. It might be the best call you can make. There's no stopping New York. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Yeah? We think bigger. We live louder. We create greater. There's no stopping us from building a stronger, healthier, fairer future for everyone. Because we're New Yorkers, and there's no stopping New York.
All New Yorkers 12 and older can now get COVID-19 vaccines. And we have one thing to say. Woohoo! It's your turn. Get vaccinated today. Visit nyc.gov/vaccine finder or call 877-VAX-4-NYC. COVID-19 vaccines are now available to all New Yorkers 12 and older. Help us get one shot closer to a COVID-free NYC. Get vaccinated today. Visit nyc.gov/vaccine finder or call 877-VAX-4-NYC.
Welcome back to TMZ Live, and the Olympics have turned into an absolute disaster, at least financially.
Yeah.
Don't know what's going to happen on the field, on the track, but financially, after yesterday's announcement that